15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad ke Sangmau la IT Shau Menteri Kampo Iyeng ka Sarkar India Amit ban penpau ikimat ki bakongsan bat ki jingdawa jong Kejala Meghalaya kani ke jing IT ya ka Dorkhas ka dei henne ka si ka South Tarik Jalio Arjar Punreu ka singi bau Menteri Kampo Iyeng ka Sarkar India uwan ban kli ya ka 73rd plenary session jong ka North Eastern Council NEC ka bala penlong State Convention Center Shillong Konrad lapan pau ik jing sokhia lo ka jingwan rung snong be an Sham Meghalaya pat lakarpa de ka Sarkar India pan thau kilat jingeda ki batri kambha ban telakam ya ka jinge ulakdauru baka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA bat ka inline permit ILP ki bala menjur da ka yengdo bar thawan ka jala kila banlong kilat ki babyang ban khanglat ik jingwan rung snong be an nangta uladawa ban kenthop ik tien khasi bat garo ha ka e schedule jong ka riti senchar kari India khnang ban penne penroi bat ithu ya ka jinglong tenrai bat ka culture jong ki trai ri trai mulok ha ka jala Halo ka 6 schedule Menteri Rangba ulakarpat ya ka Sarkar Padang ban penlong ke jislok bat baro ki jala ki badan benta shwa ban wanra kinu ki jingpen kala khnang ba ki hok bat ki jiada jong jai mri riulom kinang klan chu shu ulapan pauru ya ki jing sokhia jong u bon ki sang bat kanhon halo ka to kat ni ki jingpen kala ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act lani ke FCRA ki bala ban kata ya ka jingtrai kam bat ki jingyo jirap jong kini ki kanhon Hakabakot Konrad ula ai kuble yo Amit nakabenta ka jingsngap bat kejiyo lat ban nyekren halor kini kimat bakongsan bat lapan pau ke jingkerman ba onsa simkhia bat pen ulong ikini ki jingdawa nakabenta ka bahakamet jong ke jala Meghalaya.
During the visit of the Honorable Home Minister to Shillong for the 73rd preliminary session of the Northeast Council, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I have submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. In the memorandum, there were 4 important points that I had mentioned. First was regarding the setting up of a proper mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state. And we have expressed our concerns on this issue and suggested to government that mechanisms like the ILP, for which we have passed a resolution, and mechanisms like the MRSSA could be mechanisms and ways and means in which we would be able to check the illegal immigration. And we have urged the government of India to look into both these demands that we have made and create a mechanism so that we are able to check the illegal immigration in the state. Number 2, we had urged the government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urged the government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The 4th issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending and government of India has been consulting different state governments and different district councils. So we have urged that that amendment should be in consultation with the states and taking the views of all the states should be pushed through so that necessary amendments can be made to the 6th schedule, which would ultimately benefit the different tribal societies in different parts of the Northeast. And the 4th issue that we had raised in our memorandum that we submitted as a government was regarding the amendments to the FCRA, where you're aware that government of India is planning to amend the FCRA, and different organizations have raised concerns about those amendments and how it could impact the work that they're doing, including the assets that are there that these different associations and organizations they have. And hence, this was again reiterated in the memorandum that we submitted, and we have received a very positive response from the government, from the Honorable Home Minister, and he has asked us to come to Delhi with a delegation and detailed of all the aspects of what amendments we would like to see or change in the FCRA Amendment Act bill. He has asked us to give it in writing. So these were the 4 points that we have submitted, and as you're aware that the government is continuously following up on all these 4 aspects, and that we are sincerely working towards ensuring that we're able to achieve our goal in being able to resolve all these 4 issues that I've mentioned in the memorandum to the Honourable Home Minister.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Rak Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.